If any of you are wondering what the Growatt SPA 10,000 TL3 is capable of, this is a three-phase commercial or semi-commercial installation. The modular endlessly, up to 30 kilowatts per BMS system basically. So this client's got 10 batteries, all connected in series, linked through to a single inverter that's feeding the main property. The main property is a three-phase incoming supply, and he's got various different roof aspects covered by 3 different inverters throughout the property. This inverter, it's one of the biggest on the market that can accommodate with high load energy movement. So it's got the ability to charge and discharge the batteries up to 10 kilowatts per hour basically. So if you have a quick look here, it's a high voltage battery system in terms of it, so it'll have 1 BMS controls up to 10 batteries, and then you can parallel those up. But as it stands at the minute, you're putting 9,600 watts into the batteries, and then the battery charge percentage is 20% and 543 volts at the moment. What it'll do, this inverter, it'll automatically differentiate the information from an energy meter that gets installed on the main incoming supply, and that basically, that energy meter communicates with the inverter, telling the inverter how much excess solar generation there is throughout the building and what the load consumption of the property is. And then what it'll do, it'll work out the difference between the two, diverting the excess into the batteries, basically filling the batteries up on surplus solar generation. This system has got the ability to work on load shifting purposes as well. So if you're on the likes of Octopus Go, Octopus Agile, you've got the ability to link this inverter and just basically remotely control the times it charges and discharges to accommodate the energy provision basically. So if you've got a varying tariff, you can accommodate that, because with this particular interface you can set up to 6 different charge and 6 different discharge time settings. So the inverter itself, it's one of the biggest on the market from a semi-commercial scale. You can scale them up further should you require, but from a functional point of view, this particular inverter will accommodate most small-scale commercial properties and large domestic homes that have 3-phase incoming supplies basically. So just wanted to quickly show you what's available should you have an installation done through a reputable and competent installer, and some of the technology that's out there, because not many people have the luxury of doing such an intricate system like this, and I just wanted to share that with you just from a fundamental point of view. So if you have any questions or queries, give us a call. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.